planting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Easter arrangement for your home using this floral display. So what we've got is a shrub from the garden, and this is Magnolia stellata. It has lovely star-shaped flowers. It gets to about 2 to 3 meters tall, and it has the most amazing furry buds that then open out to these beautiful spring flowers. So we're using these as our structural element. So I've added that to a vase, and then what I need to do is to start hanging on the branches these hand-painted eggs that I bought in Austria years ago, and I use them every year. So they're hand-blown, and don't they look gorgeous hanging from the branches? So let me just add them. So there they are, the eggs added on at different heights, and you can add as many as you want for how big your display you'd like to be. Next flowers, I'm going to use snakehead Fritillaria. Now these grow in grass, meadow, they're a bulb, and they like quite wet ground, and they have the most amazing checkered flower, and I'm going to dot them into the display. Just remember to take some of the lower leaves off and then place that into the vase. They have lovely nodding flowers. And then lastly, all I've got is some nice daffodils that are bright and cheerful. Plenty of these in the garden at this time of year. And that's the third flower going in to add the last bit of colour to the arrangement. And then this makes a wonderful table centrepiece at Easter time in your home. So that's 3 different types of flowers. We've got the structure from the Magnolia, the beautiful snakehead Fritillaria, and the nice Narcissi, providing that spring burst of energy that we need at this time of year. And it makes a wonderful Easter display for your friends and family coming round. Now, if you've enjoyed my Easter content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more gardening content, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.